What's up guys, it's Angely Ortega, Funtech providers, and today we are going to install a PTZ camera in a client site along with 4 more cameras. The PTZ camera will be installed in a pole, like that pole right behind me right there, and it's gonna run through that very same wire you see right behind me all onto there. I just did some testing, so I connected the PTZ right in the control room and wire it to make sure the pan and the tilt are working fine. We also were working with the zoom was working fine too, so it's all set up. Now I'm gonna take that same setup and put it in the pole. Yeah, always test your equipment before you install it, because if you don't test it beforehand, what's going to happen is you're gonna get on that pole right there, something is gonna go wrong, and you're gonna be wondering why something is wrong, and you don't want to be on a pole while you're trying to figure out. You want to figure out on the ground, get it done, and then go up there. You know what I mean? So let's get to this job and I'll show you the next part, okay? So here's my ladder. It's a foldable 15.6 feet ladder, and over there I have a chain. So I'm going up this pole. I'm going to open up the ladder and chain it to the pole. If you are up high, you don't want to have to second guess yourself when you are holding on to this thing, okay? And plus, you see the wind? So folks, here we are, ladder strapped up. We're doing the PTZ camera. I'm strapped too. We ain't coming here if you ain't strapped. You can be in the heights like that without being strapped. You know what can happen. And as you can tell, the PTZ is mounted. It's solid right there. It's gotta be moving around. It's kind of crazy. A friend of mine actually bought this PTZ 2 years ago for this very installation, and now PTZ is up there. So now what I'm going to do is connect the wires of the PTZ. So this is a CCTV system. So I have this part right here. This is one of the BNC connector adapters, which is already set up. Is being already taped up because we don't want this to get wet. And then when this part is connected, I'm gonna tape it up as well. And then this is gonna be part of that cable right there. You see that whole cable line going to the other side of the building. And with that, we're gonna be able to manage the PTZ. It needs 2 cables. It needs one for the pan and tilt, and then the other part is it needs the other cable for transmitting the viewing. So I'll let you know when I'm done with the installation so that you can see how things are going, okay? Okay, what's up guys? We finally did it. PTZ camera is up, you can tell. Let's see if I can move it around a little bit. I could zoom in as far as I want. Can move. Let's see if I zoom out first. So I can zoom out this way, and then let's see. We got this other side. So you see, that's the pole. Now we're gonna move the other way from the pole. Okay, you see that right there? That's crazy. I could move in all the way there. I could read license plates, basically
everything.
Yeah, pretty much everything. See how deep in the woods we were there? You can see the trees basically alive right there. Okay folks, so now we're gonna finish the installation, and then I'll show you all the cameras. This one went all right. Okay folks, now that we finished the PTZ installation, now we're going to just make a couple of regular cameras. installations right now. Just regular cameras, the ones that you put in the corner of a room, and reroute that to the control room so that we can plug it to the DVR main box. Okay, it's a nice place. We're high up here. Let's get it done. I haven't been in this building like in 2 years, literally 2 years. So a lot of things have changed. New rooms, everything. This is a fast building. So, cool. There's only one way to get here. Oh, I see you. Okay, this is one of the cameras that we are installing. It's all the way up there. And now, if you check right here, should be able to see the whole room right there. That looks pretty nice. All the way up there, you can see the entire room. Hey, what's up, folks? So we got to do 4 cameras at the end of this day. However, we're only gonna show a couple. We're gonna leave the video up to here. And then when I go back to the installation the next time, I show you the other ones that we did. I wanna say thank you for watching this video. If you're watching it right now, subscribe, leave comments in the bottom right there. And if you have any questions of the installation, more specifics, just put it in the comments and I probably could contact you. If you leave your email, I could contact you privately and give you more of an insight of what I was doing inside that building. And basically, if you have the same kind of project and you just want some help, again, send a message. I'm available. And one more thing I want to say is subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching, and wait for the part 2, and I'll see you over there. I hope you have fun. On to the next one.